Hello, dinar enthusiast. Welcome back to my channel. When we analyze the current situation in Iraq, it's clear that all the signs are pointing toward one inevitable conclusion: the progress of the monetary reform. Let's break down why this is the case. Firstly, it's important to understand that the monetary reform isn't just some fleeting idea that could easily be dismissed or derailed. It's a well-structured plan, one that has been carefully crafted and is being steadily implemented to rejuvenate Iraq's economy and strengthen its currency. Many people might wonder if the reforms could be stopped or reversed, but the truth is, everything we're witnessing suggests otherwise. There's no indication that these reforms are intended to be halted or that Iraq would backtrack on the progress that has already been made. The government and financial institutions in Iraq have shown a strong commitment to seeing this reform through. They understand that it is crucial for the long-term stability and growth of the nation. Another point to consider is the possibility of a currency lop, where the government could decide to simply remove zeros from the currency without actually increasing its value. However, based on everything we've seen so far, there's no indication that this is the route Iraq will take. A lop would not provide the kind of real economic benefit that the country is aiming for. Instead, what we're seeing is a consistent push towards enhancing the value of the Iraqi dinar in a way that will genuinely increase the purchasing power of its citizens. There's also the concern that this might all be an illusion, that Iraq could be playing tricks, leading people to believe in a brighter economic future that won't actually materialize. However, the steps being taken by the Iraqi government and its financial sector don't support this idea. On the contrary, the reforms seem to be aimed at providing tangible benefits to the people, particularly through increasing their purchasing power. This is not just about changing the numbers on the currency, it's about improving the quality of life for Iraqis by ensuring their money can buy more goods and services. One of the key indicators that the reform is real and imminent is the focus on releasing lower denomination notes. This step is essential in the process of revaluing the currency because it signals that the government is preparing to introduce a new exchange rate. Lower denomination notes would only make sense in an economy where the currency has higher value, which means that the exchange rate adjustment is likely on the horizon. Furthermore, the success of these reforms is closely tied to the implementation of the Hydrocarbon Law, HCL, the payment of oil revenues, and the functioning of the national budget. The HCL is a critical piece of legislation that determines how oil revenues are distributed among the Iraqi people. For this to work effectively, there needs to be a stable and strong currency in place. The release of lower denomination notes and the adjustment of the exchange rate are essential steps to ensure that the HCL payments are meaningful and that the national budget can be executed as planned. In conclusion, everything we're seeing right now is pointing in the direction of a successful monetary reform in Iraq. The government is making all the right moves to increase the value of the dinar, release lower denomination notes, and give its citizens more purchasing power. This is not a drill, nor is it an illusion. The monetary reform is happening, and it's poised to bring significant benefits to the Iraqi economy and its people.